Hey there, I'm Joe Savignano from Emerson Swan. We're here in beautiful Portsmouth, New Hampshire on a rooftop next to some beautiful higher VRF units.
We're in Portsmouth today, racing to see who can put together a stand the fastest.
Slow and steady wins the race.
You gotta hurry up, big fella.
This is nice, this is good. I lost a tool.
Here, I don't even need it. So now just putting the feet on, the feet of victory. So all these do is lock in the feet. If the mini split was sitting on this, this would cramp down on the feet and hold them in place. The good part about that is there's no through the metal connection, so there's no point of rust.
Especially here, specifically at the seacoast, that's important to keep in mind.
So we ship these pads with it. That way there's no penetration points and it's a good vibration absorber.
Also, as you saw too, when we open up the box, there's not many components to it. I may look like I'm struggling, but it is not the most intensive install I've ever done on anything. Minimal pieces, minimal tools.
It doesn't just look like he's struggling, he is struggling. And snug down these one more time.
Point being, on a lot of mini split,
Done.
TFS, HVAC jobs, it's imperative. I mean, these are stands, right? They're not the heart and soul of the system, but they're important.
A traditional stand's gonna have a brace this way. We use the unit to brace the stand, right? So because the feet, it's not wobbly left to right, and obviously front and back's pretty sturdy. So once you put a stand on this, there's no wiggle. If you have a concern, we give you a hole here and here that you can use threaded rod to make that sturdy.
Honestly, I'm pretty impressed with my performance. Expectations were low. Dylan's probably done 10,000 of these.
I had to give Joe a tool halfway through because it was a mess over there. Get a knife to open that box, 3/4 inch ratchet, 9/16 ratchet, and that is it. We were even slow for a trade contractor. They're gonna do that in half the time we did. They've been a great partner with us. They're a great stand. I think they look good. They're not the conventional color of a stand. They look nothing like anything else on the market right now.
Don't overlook it. You can save time on the job, save money, and save callbacks.